Hello guys, good afternoon. This is I think the time is 12:30 Nigerian time. So welcome back to another brain teasing question and session. So I welcome everybody to another brain teasing live session. So guys, without further talk, let's start today's brain teaser. As you can see right here, there are four glasses of water, same glasses of water, same measurement of water, and each of them have one items in them. You can see this glass A has a spoon in it, glass B has a stone in it, glass C has a tennis ball in it, while glass D has a dice in it. Remember, all of them are all glasses are identical. All of them are identical, the same glasses, the same type of glass, and it has the same measurement of water. But what is now different from each of them is the items in each of them. For A, we have a spoon. For B, we have a stone. For C, we have a tennis ball. For D, we have a dice. So which of these four glasses that contains this water and the different items, which of them has the most water? Like, which of them have more water right now in them after these items must have been put here? Which of them has more water in them? So guys, let's solve this puzzle. I have so many puzzles for today, so I think for this particular puzzle we're going to wait for 30 minutes before I reveal the answer. And if you are answering this puzzle, as time goes on, I will be giving you hints and clue on how you can do this so that you can solve it. And drop your comments in the comment section, because I'll be checking out the comment section to know those who are actually doing this. Drop your comments in the chat. Drop your comments in the chat and let's get started. Thank you so much to everybody joining the live. Thank you so much. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the chat. This is the puzzle we have today. There are four identical glasses right here holding the same amount of water in each of them. But in each of these glasses, one of them I put in a spoon in it, the other one I put in a stone, the other one I put in a tennis ball, while the other one I put in a dice. So the question right now is, which glass has more water in it now that we have introduced these different items in each of these different glasses? So drop your comments in the comment section. Guys, it's cold in this place. Like, huh, I just hope we get to a stage where they call August break in Nigeria, because this weather is so cold. Let's not get distracted from the question we have here. This puzzle is still waiting for us. So the weather is cold. I'm putting on sweaters, sweatshirts. So that's it. Thanks to everybody joining the live. We have a puzzle here. We have a puzzle here. Please, let's answer it. More people should please join our live. We go live every day, every afternoon. So let's join this live and make it more interactive, please. Let's join the live and make it interactive. If you are here, you can see what we have on ground. Which glass has more water in it? We have 4 glasses right here measuring the same amount of water, and we introduce 4 different items to it. To the first glass we introduce a spoon. To the second glass we introduce a stone of this size, as you can see. To the third glass we introduce a tennis ball, and to the fourth glass we introduce a dice. So which do you feel, after introducing these items to these different glasses that contains this water, which of these glasses do you feel now that has more water in it, that didn't really displace much water from it? I'm still waiting. Oh god. Jeez. He just took the lights. So hope you guys are thinking of the answer to this. Hope you guys are thinking of the answer to this. You can drop your answers in the comment section of the one you feel that displaced more water and the one that currently has more water in it. The one that displaced less water, I mean, and the one that currently has more water in it. In each of them, which of these items do you think has more weight than the other? Does the spoon have more weight than the stone, or does the stone have more weight than a tennis ball, or does a tennis ball have more weight than a small dice? I don't know. Answer the question. Answer the question right in front of us. Yeah. Answer the question right in front of us. We have this puzzle to unravel. We have this puzzle to unravel, guys. We have this puzzle to unravel, and we are gradually doing that. How many of us are here? Nobody yet. I'm sure more people are going to come. More people are going to join this live. So as you join this live, at any point you join this live for this brain teaser, answer this question and drop your comments. I won't reveal the answer yet. So guys, this is AI with Funzi, and this which you are seeing, this image which you are seeing, I actually designed it myself. So let's get into this puzzle right now. Which of these items has more weight than the other, and then which of these cups has more water than the other? Which of these cups with this level of water has more water than the other after each of these different items were actually put in? Hope you guys are getting my English. Good. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining the live. I'm still learning to go live. I recently discovered one app I'm using, which is Prism Studio. Yeah, and I'm currently using my laptop to live stream because good. I think right now outside Nigeria they are in like the UK, the US, they are in summer. While here in Nigeria is our rainy season. Right here in Nigeria is our rainy season. Guys, by tomorrow you guys might be seeing a new look. Yes, I will be loosening my hair and be making another one by tomorrow, God's grace. So yeah, don't be surprised when you see a different look from what you're seeing today. I don't even know what to play it yet. Yeah, I might get to the salon and change of mind. Yeah, I might get to the salon and there will be a change of mind. Once one or two things will just happen and I will be like, the style I had in mind, I don't think I will be able to make it. Maybe I should make a different one. But I still hope and believe that I make that same hairstyle. Yeah. So guys, we have a puzzle here. I'm also making tutorial, AI tutorial. Yeah, I have a particular topic I want to make video on. So maybe, like I said today, I don't know yet, but possibly tomorrow I'm going to upload that video tutorial. So if you also love AI tutorials, you can check my long form videos for that. Thank you so much guys for your love. Thank you so much for always subscribing. We're almost close to 2,500 subscribers still on YouTube. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. The only struggle right now is I'm struggling to meet up with my 4,000 watch hours. So guys, help me watch my videos, help me watch my long form videos. Yeah, help me watch my long form videos so that I'm already monetized. I've already been accepted into the YouTube partner program, but my watch hour is actually decreasing. Yeah, that can actually happen to anybody. You might actually be accepted into the YouTube partner program. Maybe as at that time your watch hour was still within 4,000, but as time went on it keeps on decreasing, and it's decreasing. Like, what I mean is it's decreasing. It has prevented me from unlocking the watch paid ads. So yeah, help me, help me, help me, help me. Let's hit 4,000 watch hours again. This puzzle is still here and nobody has given me an answer. It seems like I'm talking to myself. Hey God, solve this and let's get an answer. I'm waiting to the next 30 minutes before I'll reveal the answer to this puzzle. The question is, which of these cups, inside all these 4 cups, which of them still has more water in it? Which of them has more water in it? Let me see whether we still have sharp students in the house. It just took the lights. Like, I don't even understand. So guys, inside these items, this first one is a spoon, this one is a what's there, a stone, then this one is a tennis ball, then this is a dice. Which of these items do you feel or think has the is the heaviest in all of them? Which of them do you think is the heaviest in these four items? Which? Thank you so much for joining the live. We have a puzzle here in front of us. Which do you feel that still contains the most water in these four cups or glasses of water? Which glass has more water after we have put in a spoon in one, a stone, a tennis ball, and a dice in each of these water that measures the same level? So let me know. Hope you guys can still hear me. I don't know where this is coming from, but I still hope you guys can hear me. Thanks so much for joining this live session. Please drop your comments. Let's see. So do you think is the spoon that contains more water, or is the stone that contains more water, or is the tennis ball, or is it the dice? Inside dice and spoon, which one has more weight? I know that the stone would have more weight than the tennis ball and will surely displace, because as you put in this stone here, some water will splash out of this glass, right? So inside this two, which one has more weight or has most weight? You guys don't mind how I speak my English, please. So inside these two items, inside this stone and this tennis ball, which of them do you think has more weight than the other? Let's first start with this two. Which, tell me, let me know. Which of them have more weight? We can't actually see how this stone is, but based on the weight, or based on what I'm seeing right here, seems like this stone would have more weight. It depends though. Would have more weight than this, or even have be of same weight. Both of them might be of the same weight. So now we know that these two, cup B and C, would possibly displace, or item B and C, I mean item B and C will possibly displace water out of this cup compared to how A and D would retain water, because we want to know which of these four cups right now has more water in it after these items were introduced. After these items were introduced, which of these items still have more water? We know that since these two are heavy objects, they would have less water. So B and C is already cancelled. B and C, you already know that they are not going to have much water left in them. So the puzzle right now is between A and D. A dice, we used to play game, this dice, you know a dice now. So does it even have weight more than a spoon? Does it have weight more than this spoon that is long? And I'm sure this spoon will be a little bit heavy. So inside these two now, what's the answer? Because the dice I know is not really heavy. It's just like a pinch of, like, it's not really an heavy object compared to a spoon. Let's keep racking our brain and know the one that's supposed to be the answer. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up to this moment, up to this very point, thank you so much for joining the live. Those are going to watch this later on, thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll also be going live tomorrow. I think in some minutes I'm going to be revealing the answer so that we can move on to the other puzzle we have. Oh god. Guys, it's been raining since morning. Like, I don't understand. I can't wait for us to get to August break, if we are even going to experience that this year, because this everyday rain is something else. It can actually spoil your plans, disorganize everything. If you plan going outdoor, going to do stuff outside, you have to get prepared, carry an umbrella or your raincoat to go out. But it's all good, it's all good. Thank you so much if you are joining the live stream. So it's almost time for me to review the answer. It's almost time for me to review the answer so that we forge ahead to, yeah. So between these two items right now, we already know that the spoon and the we already know that the stone and the tennis ball are going to occupy more weight inside this glass cup of water. And once they occupy weight, like once they are occupy a space, once they occupy space, there's possibility, there's 100% chances for water to spill out. So these two are already ruled out. These two can't be our answer. So our focus right now is on the spoon and the dice. So in both of them right now, which of them occupies or takes more space than the other? I'm giving you hints to get this answer. Network. Hope you guys can still hear me, because I don't know what's wrong with this network. I do not know. So guys, I think we have waited enough for this. So here comes the time of truth. Here comes the time we give our answer. So in this, I've already ruled out these two items, right? That in this cup, when we submerge this stone is going to take a whole lot of space, and because of that there will be less water in cup B and C due to let's say the weight or how these two items are, right? So now our focus is on cup A and cup D. For cup A, we have a spoon made of metal. So which one do I feel? Though my answer is you can actually give your suggestion in the chat. Yes, you can actually oppose what I'm saying right now, but this is what I feel should be the answer. Yeah, this is what I feel should be the answer. For cup A that has a stone, I feel that's for cup A that has a spoon. Why am I repeating? Why am I repeating this thing? For cup A that has a spoon, I feel that's what has more water in it compared to this cup that has a dice in it. We have already ruled out cup B and cup C, right? Because the two objects in it can occupy space, and while they occupy the space, more water will splash out. While these two, you can just be drinking your tea and you put in your spoon. Your spoon will give space for more water to be there. It won't really displace or splash out some water. So To me, I feel the answer to this quiz is the answer to this quiz, the answer to this quiz, the answer to this quiz, the answer to this quiz. What is the answer? I've already said it initially. If you are following what I was saying, you could have grasped what the answer is. Shay, you could have at least gotten it. Yeah. So the answer to the quiz is spoon A1. Yeah. So if you have been looking up to this spoon A, be like this cup A will be the answer. Finally, that happened to be the answer, because come on, spoon, forget about the weight. Like if you are comparing the weight to a dice, once you put the dice, some water will still splash out and dice will still occupy some space in that cup of water, making some of the water to at least go out. But for the spoon is just there. It's giving the water more space to be here, and that's channels, or that means that this particular cup is the one that has the most water in it. Like it still retains water in it compared to the way this dice would have retained water, or would have left more water or more space for water to be here. You get me? So guys, for this first quiz, we lasted for 40 minutes, 40 good minutes. Wow. I have another quiz. Is it brain teaser or quiz? Anyone, but I have something that's going to make you think and think. Yeah. So let me put that in. So guys, this is the next quiz we'll be doing for today. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. So let's solve this. Our mathematicians in the house. I leave the table for you. I leave it to you and you alone. Let's solve this. So if 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, then if 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 2 plus 5 is equals to 12, 3 plus 6 is equal to 21, 8 plus 11 will be equal to what? Normally, the 2 plus 5 that I know is 7. So how is 2 plus 1 now 12? Guys, let's think. And now they're even asking us 8 plus 11 is what? 8 plus 11, that should be 19. But from this format I'm seeing here, the pattern has already changed. Let's think on how this was done. Yeah, let's think. So if you're joining the live this moment, this is the second puzzle we have for today. We have this puzzle right here. Can you solve it? Our mathematicians in the house, can you solve this? 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Yeah, which everybody knows. Even a kindergarten knows that. Yeah, a kindergarten knows that. 1 plus 4 is 5, but 2 plus 5 cannot be 12. Where? From where to where? From where to where can 2 plus 5 be 12? Help me, help me, help me. So 3 plus 6, they are saying 21. Here. 8 plus 11 will now be what? The 8 plus 11 that I know is 19. And looking from this pattern I'm seeing here, everything has changed. Like what's supposed to be the answer in the previous ones are not the same. So I can't really ascertain that this 8 plus 11 will be 19. It might even be a very big number. It's well low. Let's solve it. Let's solve it. Pa, 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 pa. Whoa, the light is back. The light is back. The light is back. Guys, my phone is down 45%. I don't even know how many percent my laptop is, though I'm charging it currently. Let me plug my phone. As a content creator, you need to have electricity 247, because when you want to do one or two, either screen record a video or go live as I'm going live like this, how would you do it? And I connected Wi-Fi from my phone to my laptop. I don't have a modem, so I'm just using my phone, connect it to my laptop. That's how I get my internet connection. So if this phone goes off, that means you know what it's going to imply. Let me plug my phone. Good. If you're joining the live, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining the live. And let's start, guys. I don't know how my face is going to look by the time I go and make a new hair. But I'm scared, but I'm so curious. I don't even know the style to make yet. So by tomorrow, you guys are going to be seeing me with a different hair, because this hair has lasted me. It's already a month. 26th of this month made it a month, and today is 28th. So it's a month and 2 days, and I need to make do of it. In as much as now that it's a little bit old, it actually fits my face more than when I newly made it. I don't know. So let's solve this puzzle. Let me even be checking what I even put. I put puzzle. I don't know what I want to solve apart. Okay. Guys, I'm already getting the answer. I'm getting the answer. So if you are not getting the answer, this puzzle I even gave is very simple, very simple. Like if I don't have any niece or nephew that is in either primary 1, I could have given them this and they'd say, thank you auntie for giving us this, thank you auntie for giving us this. They'll solve it immediately, because this is so simple. This is cheap. This is a cheap puzzle. Mathematics, though, while I was still in school, both primary, secondary and uni, mathematics was not really my thing. It was not really my thing. Like, I do solve maths just for me to survive, just for me to, like, it happened that I'm in a scenario where I have to solve. I don't have any option that to solve. Not that it's my best, it's not my best course. Those that study mathematics in school, I salute you guys. Not do it. So I'm still thinking about what this final answer would be, because I'm trying to understand the pattern that is here. Understanding a pattern is good. Yeah. So 21. Guys, I've already gotten my answer. I'll be telling you guys the answer. I'll be telling you guys the answer later. Let me give space for you guys to try and figure this out. Because right now, I have figured it out, but I will not tell you. I won't tell you until you figure it yourself. If I tell you guys now, I've spoiled the game now, I've spoiled it. And this is the last puzzle we have for today. After this, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Could have loved we have another one, but I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to add it up right now. Let's just make do with this first and see how it goes. This rain, how good. Thank God I don't have anything that's going to carry me out, because then I don't have an umbrella. I have an umbrella. Where is it? I think it's in that side. I have an umbrella, but I don't like I feel like taking an umbrella along with me is adding extra load to me, or making me to handle extra load. That one is by the way, Sha. Guys, solve this so, because if I call any primary one Popio to come and solve this, it won't be nice. So it will not be nice at all. It won't be nice. The primary one people will be like, Auntie, why has nobody answered this thing that is very, very simple? I'll be like, yeah, it's very simple. I'm gonna solve it now. So guys, you also tell me in the comments, where are you watching me from? Yeah, where are you watching my live videos from? Let me know the countries that are watching my videos. Let me know I'm going to be let me know countries that who are watching my live videos and also my long videos, not especially this live video, so that I'll know how I'm going to be structuring the time. I will have different times. Right now is afternoon. What's the time? This is 1:27 p.m. in the afternoon. So I want to know which part of the country you're watching me from, so that we'll know the time differences and all of that. So if you're joining us, we have a puzzle right here. Please solve it. Our mathematicians, I can't solve it. I can't. I'm just feeling myself today. Yeah, I'm just feeling myself. Feeling myself. Let's solve this, please. Understand the pattern first before you even decide to solve, because how can 3 plus 6 be 21? Swallow. Ooh. Jeez. I just finished eating my, what do I call it now? My afternoon food is what? Ooh. Network. Oh. Guys, let's solve this puzzle though. Because if I call my niece to come and solve this, it won't be good. Concurrent viewers. Thanks to everybody that joined this live session. I really do appreciate. Guys, how would I put it now? Don't feel somehow when you see me tomorrow with another hair. Yeah. Even me, I'm thinking of how my face would be. Cause I don't know. But that one aside. Let's solve this. How long have we stayed right now? Let's just solve this. I've already gotten my answer. Yeah, I've gotten my answer. I've gotten my answer. Welcome. Please, let's solve this puzzle right here in front of us. Let's solve it. We need to solve it. Because if I call my niece and my nephews, they'll be like, this question is cheap. This is quantitative reasoning. Because this is not verbal reasoning, right? To say this is quantitative reasoning. I can solve it. My teacher taught me how to solve it. Let's see. Do we have any Ghanaian watching this live? Any country at all you are, just let me know. So I'll know those watching us and where you're watching us from. Guys, they have taken the light again. I don't understand. So let me do something. Okay. I'm supposed to be charging my power bank, not my phone. Hey. I'm checking out so many features here on this live stream. Okay. You can drop your name, let me know where you're watching me from, and also name of my viewers. At least let me know those watching me, so that next time when I come live, I would actually mention and drop your name in the comments or in the chats. So you can tell me your name, where you're watching me from. Just drop that in the chats. What is this?
Hello?
Yes.
Keep on from Budule. Dallas, but I'll get the pint about them.
Kanene. Kanene chats in this. Hope you guys can still see me in this live. I just had a call and I don't know whether it has distracted the network. So how far have we gone with solving this? Drop your comments or drop your answers in the chats so I'll know how far we have gone with this. Hello, you found my message. Yeah? 10 in total. Yes, 4 plus 6, 10. Guys, how many persons have gotten the answer to this? Nobody. Okay, so let's check this out. If 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 5, then we said 2 plus 5 is 12. How can 2 plus 5 be 12? 2 plus 5 normally supposed to be 7. So let's take what we feel or what we know to be the fact, which is 7. 2 plus 5 being 7 correctly. So we're going to 7, which is supposed to be the result from 2 plus 5. That's 7 as the answer. You take it. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. That's how they got this 12 you are seeing right here. So this has been solved. Let's say we are getting the pattern, or we are getting there. So we now know how we got 12 right here. Since 1 plus 4 is 5 correctly, then 2 plus 5 supposed to be 7, which everybody knows. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then 7, which is supposed to be the correct answer to this, plus this 5 here gives us 12. That's how this 12 came about. So I've given you guys hints on how to get this final answer. So I'm waiting. Let me give you guys a hint. This question mark, the answer for this is a whole number. Is one of the tens, as we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So it's one whole number. So it's among the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's among these numbers I just mentioned. So using this format or this pattern that I've already explained to you, figure it out. I'll still drop the answer. Let's say in the next 12 minutes I'll drop the answer, and that will be all for today's live. Hope you are enjoying it so far. So guys, let's review the answer. Like I said earlier, 1 plus 4 is 5, which everybody knows. Then 2 plus 5 supposed to be 7. But why I said supposed, because that's what everybody know. 2 plus 5, 7. So we seeing 12 means that something is wrong somewhere. So how this 12 came about is 2 plus 5 being 7 plus this 5 that is here gives us 12, right? So this has been solved. 1, 2 has been solved, remaining this and this. So 3 plus 6 is 9, right? But what we have here is 21, which is supposed not to be. So how does this 21 come about? Since 3 plus 6 is 9 in the real sense, the 9 plus, then that 9 plus this 12 is what gave birth to this 21. Hope you are seeing it. So that's what gave birth to 21. So right now we are now in this final stage, which is 8 plus 11. They are giving us a question mark. What is it? Based on this pattern we have just noticed right here. So 8 plus 11 is 19 in the real sense, right? 8 plus 11 is 19 in the real sense. But we can't write 19 here because from the pattern we have just studied, you see that it's not the actual figure that's supposed to be there in the real sense. That's what is here. So we still need to repeat what we have been doing from this other one. So 8 plus 11 is supposed to be 19 in the real sense. So 19 plus this previous number of 21 is what? 19 plus 21 is 40. So the answer to the puzzle is 40. The answer to the puzzle is 40. So guys, thank you so much for joining this live section, everyone that have joined so far and those who will join later on. Thank you so much guys for joining the live. Please, when you are joining later on, like when re-watching this, don't check the comments to see the answers, please. I'm not even putting the answers in the comments. So just check, just solve it and drop your answers. I'll check them and just chat you up or comment on whatsoever you chat. Hope you guys get what I'm saying. So thank you so much for watching this live. Also make sure you like, subscribe and share. And also what else drop your name and the country you are watching my video from, so that I would know the people who are watching and where they are. So thank you so much for this live. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another fresh, interesting